Guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on my channel to watch my videos. And today I want to show you how to deep fry green bananas. These are bananas that you can eat for your breakfast or as a snack, and you can eat them as a meal. So stay tuned. Peel the bananas, then I'm going ahead to soak them in salty water, very salty water, and I'm going to let them stay there for an hour. And then after that, I'm going to pour out the water. Bananas, after they have been soaked in salty water for an hour, they are soft, and now we're just going to deep fry in hot oil. Our bananas are ready. We're going to get them out of the fire. As you have noticed, we are using not very hot oil. The oil is medium hot so that you don't burn your bananas before they cook inside. So now they're ready, and we have come to the end of this video. Thank you for clicking on my video to watch, and thank you for watching till the end. You guys mean a lot to me, and if you're not yet subscribed, kindly do so. Give the video a thumbs up if you like it. See you on the next one.